Okay, I'm going to add some text to this animation. Nothing particularly complicated here, but by just simply manipulating the timeline area, you can achieve some quite effective animation techniques without actually using tweens. So I'm going to get the text tool. Well, let me add another layer first. If I click on the icon here to add another layer, I'm going to go to frame 1 of that layer. I can lock the other layers, which is always a good idea. I'll go to frame 1 of layer 3. I'll select my text tool. I'm going to use a font red. No, I'll change the color because I already have something. The color, if I go for maybe orange this time, I'm just going to type in flash. F-L-A-S-H. Okay. And I want to add a simple TypeWriter effect to how this word appears. So I want one letter to come in at a time. So if I right click on it, I get some options down here called break apart and distribute to layers. So if I break it apart first, you'll notice that it goes into 5 objects, one for each letter. Then I right click again and I go distribute to layers. It will put each letter on its own separate layer. Okay. So the nice thing about that is we can manipulate each layer independently. So say for example, we can add a TypeWriter effect to this. We can have one letter appearing after the other. So if I start off with F, we want that one to appear first, so that's okay there. The first frame of the letter L, I don't want that to appear until the little letter, so I'm going to push that out. About 20. A. Click on the mouse, click and hold the mouse button, drag over. So I'm going to step them all out, one after the other. That might be a bit slow. Maybe make it about 15 each. Okay, so 15, 30. This one will drag over to 45. And H finally will drag all the way over to 60. So we'll end up with this effect. Let's test it. Control to scene. And there we go. We have a TypeWriter effect simply by just placing keyframes in the right place.